Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the link to Windows app on your iPhone. Now if you want to download the link to Windows app on your iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already connected your device to Wi-Fi or any kind of cellular data on your phone. So if you have not done anything like that, you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side and you just need to connect to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, and after that you just need to open App Store on your device and you just need to click on the option of search at the very bottom right, and you just need to search the app link to Windows. So if you search the top link, it will show you like that. So from here you just need to click on the option of get, which is highlighted on blue. So a pop-up will appear saying install, so you just need to show your Face ID if you have enabled it, but if you have not, you just need to enter the password for your Apple account, and after entering the password, the download will automatically start on a device and you will be able to download it like this. So that's it. That's how you can download the link to Windows app. Thank you for watching the video.